Hey, Wendy here. Wanted to walk you through setting up a party with a group and then scheduling posts into that group so that your party can go on and you can focus on helping guests and coaching your host. Are you excited? I am. All right, so first what you do is you create a group, and you can create the group to be the person's name so it's easier for her friends to find. And what I've done is I've called mine Wendy's Practice Group. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to go in and you're going to click Edit Group Settings. This is an important step. You can put the shopping link in here. You can say, contact me for questions, whatever you want to do. And then you're going to go down here to apps, okay? We're going to click Manage Apps. Mine already has Vizzlie in there, so you want to use, yours will say Add Apps. So you're going to add an app and then search Vizzlie, V-I-Z-Z-L-I-E, because if you wait for it to show, if you scroll through all the alphabet, you'll be there a long time. All right, and then you're going to go down and you're going to click Save, all right? So once you've done that, you can hop on over to Vizzlie. And this is what it looks like. Here's the website. You can create a free account, so you don't have to pay. It's free for 2 group postings, like posting in 2 groups each month. And so ostensibly you could use this if you're just doing 2 parties a month. Other than that, it's only $10 per month that you use it beyond posting in 2 groups. So it's very affordable, and I highly recommend it. So the other thing you're going to do once you get in there is you're going to go to Join Create Team, okay? And you're going to type in WWSM. And then you're going to ask to join. Now, when you do that, make sure you message your team leader because the notifications don't come to our Facebook or anything. They go to our email. And so it may be a while before you're added. But if you notify us that you asked to join, we can probably get you added faster. What's going to happen with that is you're going to have access to Wonder Women and Supermen and all of our shared templates, which I'm going to show you here. So lots of potential here. We have a launch party that we're able to use, baby book shower. We've got a CFAC fundraiser example, so Cards for Cause if you run it on a group. And then we've got, these are the 2 most important, launch and basic. Where's the basic party? Basic party. Here it is. So we just use this template, but you can change out obviously the customer specials in there as well. What's going to happen is let's go to okay, so you've requested to join. Go to your groups, and the group that you just created will show up underneath here where it says available groups. Okay, you'll need to click on that group party and track it. Once you hit track, it'll appear up here. Open the group, and then use a template. Oops. And we're going to use basic party. I'm going to choose the start time, not as the time when I want things to start posting, because we usually have 3 days of pre-posts before the party, but the day of the actual party. So for me, that will be the 9th at 9 a.m. So I'm going to change that here, and it will order everything accordingly. Okay, load the template. All right, and look, it has everything programmed for the days. Look at that. What? So amazing. All right, there will be a couple of posts you'll want to change. For example, the customer special, that changes every month. And then if you are new, you'll use, you know, your booking double free graphic. And then if you're not new, you'll use the monthly booking special. So all you have to do is come down here and say start day. Oh, I actually want it to be Thursday. All right. Woo, if I could type, right? And save. And everywhere the start day is in parentheses, it'll change it. The host, we'll change her name, Kelly. Her shopping link, which is blah, blah, blah. You can just change the last numbers on that, whatever it is. and my basic website. And the reason I have that is because I use it for combined volumes, collections, and specials, so I never have to change out all that stuff. And so that will be your consultant ID. Then what you want to do, look, you're going to go through each post and change what you want, change what you need, and then you're going to come up here and click continue. And then it will post and shows you how many hours are left until you do that. So me personally, I do have a post waiting in my group before I start it, and I'm going to show that to you here. This party is actually posted here too. If you don't want to use Vizzlie, you can also use our basic thing here. Just close your eyes for a minute. I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom. And it is what I call the butler, and the butler gets people talking. And this is what it is. Step 1, this is here before any of the posts get posted. I just put it in here. Message me for your free activity pack. That way I start messaging and getting to know the customers. And then step 2, tell us how you know your host, is designed to get them commenting below so that people start to see posts. So that is what I advise for you. If you have any questions about the things that I do post in my party, let me know. And hopefully this helps you. I also want to point out this quick thing which got mixed up in the mix here. This is what I send to my hosts. After a couple of days of working on their wish list, I just say, hey, and I wanted to say you're doing great. This is something extra I would love to offer you. What are your thoughts? I always end on an open-ended question. So that is the extra. Once you've programmed your Vizzlie, you are good to go, my friend. Enjoy.